All the news will not be good news. Ron Juan J. Good afternoon, folks. Coach Simmons here. I want to talk to you about Supreme Court. It declined to intervene in a dispute over drag shows at a public university in Texas. The public university, West Texas A&M. Supreme Court on Friday rejected the emergency appeal from a student group that had been blocked from staging a drag show at a public university in Texas. The justice did not commit Friday in refusing to issue an order that will allow the Spectrum WT, a group for LGBTQ plus students and allies, to put on a charity show March 22nd on the campus of West Texas A&M University in Canyon, located just south of Amarillo. The High Court refused to allow Florida to enforce this law targeting drag shows, while lower federal courts in Montana, Tennessee, Texas blocked state bans from being implemented. Drag shows across the country have been targeted by right-wing activists and politicians, and events nationwide like Drag Story Hours, where drag queens read books for children, have drawn protesters. What is this all about, people? This is all about freedom of speech meets freedom of enterprise. You have drag shows who want to... People that run drag shows want to execute their freedom of speech. They want to be free to express themselves the way they want to express themselves. People who are against it, well, they have freedom of capitalism. They cannot attend. The problem is when you have a public institution. Public institutions cannot ban free speech, but they can also not promote free speech, supposedly, legally. That's what it's supposed to be. And now it does show that sometimes the law implements that on whatever side the law wants to be on. That part you can say is true. But right now we're having a public school, that's West Texas A&M, being basically a representative of the state of Texas. If you live in Texas, you know they take that shit very seriously. So with this being a public institution, you do have the right to say anything you want on that campus. You can literally have a drag show on the mall, but you just cannot have a stamp of approval from the college if the college chooses to. That's the problem. People got to understand that it's up to the college or the state to choose what side of the issue they want to stick with. And that's what the Supreme Court ruled. There's a separation between church and state, separation between state and free speech. You can do and say as you want, as long as you're willing to deal with the consequences. But public institutions should not be seen as promoting either side of any debate. That's the argument. Coach Simmons, good luck.